That's a good song. Terus jadi lagu pop. Tak ada feel langsung. Dulu masa saya muda dulu, masa saya zaman kegemilangan, fuyo, when I was single and I go to the clubs, wow, I want to ask for music, I always ask for R&B music, soul music. Dulu, if you go to the club, the DJ tengah main, you go to DJ, yo, boss, yeah, what's up, boss, can you play me some soul? Can you play me some soul music? Dia main lagu macam ni. And then anyway, kita pun mula lah. Whoa. First you feel the shoulder, then you feel the foot. Whoa. Then you must move. And then after you move, you turn. You feel it. You see, even the young people also feeling it. Itu dulu. Baru-baru ni, saya pergi clubbing. That's not the joke. No, I went clubbing recently, and I wanted to feel the old groove. So I went up to the DJ. I was like, DJ, can you play me some soul? He played me this song.
You know I still love you, baby. And it'll never change.
DJ, apa lagu ni? Ini bukan lagu soul. Ya, soul. South Korea, soul, this one. Tak happening langsung. That's old school. No, but I still like music. Nowadays, the only time I listen to music in the car, kan, we turn on the radio, always best. I like. Kalau dulu my radio, I listen to the old station, old music, the old styling music. Nowadays, I turn on. My wife kan selalu nak lawan radio, but I like. Sometimes I turn on the radio in the morning, I listen to the English radio. I don't understand. The radio DJ. Yeah, everybody, we're going to play you some songs now. Yeah, this is one from Bobby Brown. Check it out. It's a Malaysian DJ. We cannot understand. Macam Nabil kata lah, pergi overseas 3 hari balik macam tu. Yeah. That's why I like to listen to Malay radio. Malay radio DJ the best. Malay radio DJ are the best because Malay radio DJ, they always repeat everything they say. Kalau kita tak dengar, kita boleh dengar lagi. Because Malay radio DJ, well, not only do they repeat everything they say, but they never let the song play by itself. They like to talk in between the song. Perasan tak? You're driving home, you turn on the radio, oh sedap lagu ni. Oh sedap lagu ni. Tiba-tiba, yeah. Ya, apa khabar semua? Apa khabar? Cuaca Kuala Lumpur. Hujan. Ya, petang nanti mendung. But at least you can understand what he says. At least you can understand. No, at least. Siapa yang ketawa? Kau ni mesti beli radio DJ kat sini lah. Tapi sometimes, but the English radio, sometimes, like at night, I listen to English radio. English radio at night, sometimes best. They got the call-in requests. They always play, okay, we're going to play new songs. We got some new songs here from Westlife. Would like to dedicate the song? Please give us a call now. 03-2294-4122. Do it 03-2294. Macam mana kita dengar nombor tu tak tahulah. But there's always somebody who calls. All right, this love dedication. All right, we've got a love dedication here. Hello, who's on the line? Hello, who's on the line? Hello, yes, hello, who's on the line? My name is Mei Chi Ling Ling. Fantastic. You'd like to make a dedication? I want to dedicate a song to my beloved boyfriend. It's your boyfriend, yes. With the message, I love you and I miss you very much. That's fantastic, Mei Chi Ling. And where is your boyfriend now? sitting next to me. Tak payah telefon, beritahu je. That's new school lah, new school. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before I go, I'd just like to end off very quickly with one of my favorite stories. This is a story of my favorite television show. It's a show that, in fact, it's the only show that I watch nowadays. I don't like to watch TV now. The only one show that I watch on Sunday, I concentrate. The only one show that I like to watch is a little program called CSI. Say CSI. Have you watched CSI? Anybody here? Yeah, not everyone. So CSI, to those people who don't know what is CSI, CSI to crime scene investigation. It's a very good show. In 1 hour, the policeman is fantastic. They can find out who is the killer. First of all, they have a dead body. Orang mati, they have a dead body. They got no evidence. Tak ada pistol, tak ada pisau, nothing. But the police can find out who is the killer because they have the small DNA, something DNA inside the body. They put inside the computer, boom, they find the killer. And I know, it's fantastic. I love. If you have not seen episode of CSI, let me very quickly, I describe to you an episode of CSI, okay? So, just remember, this is CSI Miami, CSI New York. First of all, when you turn on the TV, you know CSI. Is the lagu tema CSI, lagu tema CSI, because they have the dead body, and they ask the body, who are you? Who? That's the lagu tema. Okay, I give you a very quick episode. This is a very quick episode of CSI. First of all, dead body, orang yang telah dibunuh. There's a man going for a morning walk, bringing his dog. Rover, what's wrong? Oh my God, there's a dead body. Oh my God, I'm mentally traumatized. I better call the police. 999. Yes, 999. I found a dead body. Location, please. Immediately, police car arrived. Not yet the car stopped. Investigating officer that keluar. Walking towards not yet reached the dead body. Still walking towards the dead body. Hold on a second. This body was not killed here. It was killed somewhere else. And yet someone took the trouble to deposit the body here. The question is, why? Fuyo! Not yet reached the dead body. He already got something, got the clue. And then suddenly he looked. Look over there. What is it? Tire tracks. The camera zoom in on the tire track. These tire tracks were obviously left by a Michelin M95 tire, probably 17-inch rim, on a Mercedes 2-ton truck. Look over here. Footsteps. The driver obviously got out of the door at this point. Now this driver, and probably murderer, was probably, 6'4", probably 198 stone. Yes, using Timberland shoes, size 14. He walked over to this point. Look at the indentation here. He obviously opened the van door, took out the body, dropped it here, dragged it to this point, lifted it above the bush, and deposited the body here. The question is, why? Not yet reached the dead body. He know already. And then when he mendekati the dead body, all right, let's take a look at the body. While he's looking at the body, he can talk with the other policeman. Benda yang tak ada kena mengena. Hey there, Toby. So, how's your wife doing? The kids all right? Yeah, football? Oh, yeah, the kids playing football. Yeah, because my son's first schoolball team is captain. Oh, that's excellent, man. Hold on a second. What's this? Put on the rubber glove. Take out a pair of tweezers. Look here, behind the ear of the man. The dead body. Reach behind the ear very carefully, not to disturb the evidence. Pulls out a little blue thread. Benang biru. 2 millimeters long. Interesting. Find out who purchased this blue thread. And I believe we'll have our killer. For you! How? Puas tak kita tengok CSI Miami, CSI New York? Memang puas. That is why I think we should have CSI Malaysia. Oh, that's going to be a good program, ladies and gentlemen. CSI Malaysia. Dibintangi oleh Arian Aziz. Liza Suriani. Right. Fantastic. First of all, we have the lagu tema. When you turn on the TV, you know you're watching CSI Malaysia. Ewa. Ewa. Tu dia. Siapa dah mati? Siapa dah mati? CSI Malaysia. Dead body, mayat, orang dah mati. In the morning, a man taking his cat for a walk. Dog haram, take cat. Kita take cat. Meow, 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 meow. Comel, kenapa comel? Meow, 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 meow. Ada orang mati lah. Orang mati lah. Better call 999. Hello, Kecemasan 999. Hello, Kecemasan 999. I'd like to report a dead body. I found a dead body. Hello, Kecemasan 999. Yes, I'd like to report a dead body. There's a dead body. Boleh cakap bahasa Malaysia tak? Orang mati. Oh, dah mati. Yes, ada orang mati kat sini. Kat mana ni? Jalan Ampang. Oh, Jalan Ampang. Yes, Jalan Ampang. Kalau Jalan Ampang, telefon 03 4629. Wah! Tak apa. 45 minutes later, investigating officer datang. Keluar kita. Oh, the sergeant yang ada dekat sana dah sampai. Sergeant meet the investigating officer. Tuan! Sergeant. Tuan! Sergeant. Apa terjadi kat sini, Sergeant? Tuan! Orang mati, Tuan. Oh. Dah mati? Ni dah mati lah ni. Kira dah mati lah ni. Kira tak hidup lagi lah, mati ni. Dah mati ni. Melayu ke Cina? Tuan! Tak ada IC, Tuan. Tak ada IC. Bangladesh kot. Oh, ni dah mati ni. Okay. Dah mati, nak buat apa dah mati ni? Sarjan, sekejap, Sarjan. Lihat di sana, Sarjan. Track tayar. Tuan! Tadi kita parking kat sana, Tuan. Asal parking kat sana pula? Jauh lagi. Tak tahu, Tuan. Tadi ada satu Mercedes kat sini. Kita halau dia dulu. Bagus. Halau. Tengok, kita boleh parking kat sini. Mana boleh? Tak boleh. Oh, ni kita dah mati lah ni. Tak apalah, kita tengok dulu. Raya datanglah rumah. Ada kuih lapis ke. Bawa bini sekali semua. Apa. Sarjan. Lihat di belakang telinga si mati, Sarjan. Sarjan. Benang biru. Tuan! Benang biru, Tuan! Benang biru. Masya Allah, siapa letak benang biru di sini? CSI Malaysia, ladies and gentlemen. Case unsolved. My name is Harith Iskandar. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum. Good night. Thank you. Yeah, give it up for